Now बच्चे have a look on another question, illustration number 9 of your book. Prove that the accounting equation is satisfied in all of the following transactions of Sudhir. So first of all, make a proper format. 4 transactions are there only. Started business with cash 50,000, goods 20,000. So write down the serial number, then the line given in the question. Started business with cash rupees 50,000 and goods worth rupees 20,000. So they have started business with two things, 50,000 of cash and 20,000 worth rupees of goods. So in cash you will add 50,000 you are having, and another column for stock you will add 20,000 in stock. In total you are having 70,000 in capital. With the amount with which you start business, that is called capital. So 50,000 cash plus 20,000 stock, total capital will be 70,000. First time you will make equation, cash 50,000, stock 20,000, creditors are 0 and 70,000 is the capital. Have a look on second illustration, second transaction. Bought goods for cash 15,000 and on credit 10,000. Bought goods, you have purchased goods for cash 15,000 and credit 10,000. Means total you have purchased goods for 25,000, 15,000 for cash, you have paid cash 15,000. Goods you have purchased for 25,000, 15 plus 10, 25, and 10,000 is your creditors. $15,000 cash will be subtracted, stock 25,000, and 10,000 will be added in creditors because you have purchased goods on credit. New equation. Next time you will prepare new equation. First time you will prepare equation. Have a look on third transaction. Goods costing rupees 24,000 sold at a profit of 33 and 1/3%. Half payment received in cash. You have to write down the equation. 50 minus 15, 35, and 45. 10,000 was the creditors and 70,000 was the capital. Now goods costing 4,000 you have sold. 24,000 will be deducted from the stock because we have sold goods worth rupees 24,000. It will be deducted from the stock, and we have sold this at a profit of 33 and 1/3%. Now what is 33 and 1/3% equals to? 33 into 3, 99 plus 1, 100 upon 3, and percentage 20 for percentage. These 20 can be deducted and it will be remaining 1/3. So 33 and 1/3% is always equal to 1/3. So 1/3 of 24,000 was the profit, and it will be 8,000 added in the capital. Stock you have sold for 24,000, bache, you have sold this at 1/3 profit. 8,000 is the profit. So total 24 plus 8, 32 you have to take in total. Half you have received in cash means 16,000 will be added in cash, and half you have to take from them. Make a column for debtors and add 16,000 in debtors. What happened, bache? 24,000 stock we have sold, and from stock it will be deducted. 1/3 is the profit. 8,000 will be added in the capital. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 half payment received in cash. Cash will be included 16 and debtors will be included 16. 35 plus 16, it will be 51,000 again. 21,000, 16,000 debtors 10,000 creditors and 78,000 is the capital. Got it, बच्चे? Now have a look on last equation. Purchased furniture for office. Purchased furniture for office. Rupees 6,000, and for household use. Household use rupees 4,000. Beta, whatever you have purchased for household, that is your pure drawings. It will be deducted from cash and capital both. Whatever you have purchased for household, that will be deducted from cash and capital both, because these are your drawings. And furniture, whichever you have purchased for office, cash you have paid, and it will be added in furniture. One more column you will make for furniture, and in furniture you will add 6,000. Whatever the furniture you have purchased for office, that will be added in furniture and subtracted from cash. But whatever you have purchased for household, that is your drawing. It will be deducted from cash and capital both. So last equation is called final equation. Okay, बच्चे, last equation is 41,000 cash, stock 21,000, debtor 16,000, furniture 6,000, creditors 10,000, and capital 74,000. Is it clear to everyone? Whatever we have purchased furniture for office use, that will be our furniture, deducted from cash and added in furniture. Whatever we have purchased for household, that is subtracted from cash and capital both, because this is our drawing.